Welcome to the Course Kit training video series. In this video, I am going to show you how to create a course in your course kit. Go to the left menu and click on Domain. It will direct you to the Domain Add page. Now click on the Add Domain option. Now add all required details like subdomain name, description, logo, and favicon. Your subdomain name should be in lowercase and up to 12 characters in length. Click on Save and your domain is created. You can see your course domain site. To create a course, you need to create a subcategory and category first. Now go to the left menu and click on Course Category. Now click on Add New Category. Now fill in all required details like course domain, category title, parent, icon picker, and category thumbnail. Click on Submit and your course category will be added. You must need to add a subcategory to your course to use in your course. You just need to enter category title, parent category, icon picker. And your subcategory will be added. Now go to Course Manager. Click on Add New Course. Fill out your basic details like domain site, course title, etc. You can use AI Content Finder to create awesome AI-powered contents for your course. Add info for your course like course frequently asked questions, requirements, outcomes. Add pricing details for your course like course price, discount, or you can create a free course. Add media to your course. You can add course overview providers like YouTube, Vimeo, or HTML5. Add your course overview URL. Add course thumbnail. You can also add SEO-related details of your course like meta keywords and meta descriptions. Click on Submit and your course is ready. Thanks for watching the video.